How to get LinkedIn profile URL in mobile app. Firstly, open the LinkedIn app and you can see here there is a profile icon. Just you have to click on view profile here, and just click on the pencil here that is present. Click on this. You have to scroll this bar, and before finding the URL of your account, this you have to make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Click on the edit account in contact information. Here you can see that profile URL at the top. You can find your profile URL. This procedure is for Android as well as for iPhone. Just make sure watch the complete video, and thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.